Students, we have already learnt about spreadsheet, and you know Microsoft offers an electronic version of the spreadsheet, that is Excel. So in this video I will discuss about the function of spreadsheet. So you know what is formula? A formula is an expression that calculates the value of a cell. A formula may include numbers as well as cell address. A formula should always be preceded by an equal to sign, and Excel has some predefined formulas called functions. So I will show you how to use formulas and function in an Excel sheet. Okay. So I made here a Excel sheet and I named it as mark sheet. I hope you can see that. So you can see here the marks of different student. Marks of Rubina, marks of Shoham, marks of Rajiv, marks of Poonam. Okay. They got in different subjects. Now see, I am removing here the total marks. And I will calculate them using formula. Okay. So I want to add all the marks of Rubina she got in different subjects. She got 70 in English, 85 in math, 80 in science, 65 in history, 40 in Hindi. Okay. So how to add them? I can add them manually using formula like that, equal to, then parenthesis, okay, then B2 plus C2 plus D2 plus E2 plus F2. Okay. P2 plus C2 plus E2 plus F2. Now if I press enter, they will be added. 340. Okay. So here I am using the formula that starts with equal to sign. Okay. Now, so I have calculated the marks of Rubina manually using formula. Okay. Now I will calculate the marks of Shoham using predefined formula which is known as function. Okay. So function can be of different types. Different type of predefined functions are stored here. Sorry, it has become hazy again. Hazy. It becomes hazier now. Okay. Okay. Facing difficulties. Okay. Now I will add the marks of Shoham using predefined function, predefined formula, that is function. There are different types of function stored in the library. Okay. You can see from here. Okay. Logical function, text function, date function, financial function. Okay. Different types of function are defined here. Okay. You can use according to your requirement. Okay. So now I will use here the sum function to add the marks of Shoham. Okay. So first equal to, then sum then parenthesis. Within the parenthesis I have to write the argument. Okay, from B3 to F3. Okay, I have to add the values from B3 to F3. B3 to F3. Okay, so how I wrote here, first equal to, then the function name, then parenthesis, then the column name, the first column from which I have to add, and then a colon, then the last column up to which I have to add. So from B3 to F3. I am not writing here from B3 plus C3 plus D3 plus E3 plus F3 in that way. Okay, I just wrote B3 then colon then F3, and I will get the result. Now I am pressing the enter. Understood? So you can add the values in both ways, using formula and using the plus operator sign. Okay, or you can add it using the predefined function like sum function I used here. Okay, now I will calculate the marks of Rajiv and Poonam in the same way. Okay, so in case of Rajiv, first equal to sign, then sum function, then parenthesis, then the arguments B4 to F4, B4, then colon, then F4. Okay, enter. In the same way I will add the value of Poonam, add the marks of Poonam. It will be B5 to F5 equal to sum parenthesis B B5 to F5. Okay. Okay, now in this way, using predefined functions, we can add the values. Okay, same way we can have the average also. Suppose I want to know the average of marks Rubina get. Okay, the average of marks Rubina got, I want to calculate that. So I have to write at the average function, average, average, before that equal to sign, then parenthesis, then from B2 to F2, B2 to F2. Okay, then B2 colon F2. Okay, in the same way we can have the maximum marks of Rubina. Suppose we want to calculate in which subject Rubina got maximum marks, or what is the maximum marks Rubina got. So in manual we can see that Rubina got 85 in math. This is his highest marks. This is her highest marks, and I want to know that marks. Okay, so I have to write here max is equal to bracket from B5 to F5, B2 to F2. Okay, similar way we can got the lowest marks. Okay, lowest marks of Rubina. Using mean function, mean bracket is equal to, within the bracket I have to write B2 colon F2, enter. 40 she got in Hindi. Okay, there are several more functions are there. Okay, so I will discuss them in the next video. So hope you understood, and please comment if you have any problem or difficulties in understanding this video. Okay.